So we're given this data set. We're supposed to make a frequency table for it. You could use an online frequency, sorry, not frequency. Well, we're supposed to make a histogram for it. Given this frequency table, it's supposed to make a histogram like these. You could use an online histogram generator if you want, but it's all going to come down to looking at the details. So you might as well just skip it and do what I do here. Try to look at the details of each of the graph, find out which one's correct. So one thing we can do is note the numbers go between 6 and 11. This one down here does not go between 6 and 11. This has values between 8.5, 9.5. It doesn't have anything for our value of 11 over here. Okay, so I think what they did, whoever made this one, they made this option incorrect because this switches frequency and value. The values are the actual numbers in our data set. The actual numbers go between 6 and 11. The actual numbers for this histogram go between 3.5 and 9.5. This one's out. Okay. I think we can rule out some other ones too. This one in the top left, the values go between 9.5 and 15.5. There's no place for our 6. We're supposed to have 6 6s. We're supposed to have 3 7s. You can't do that with this graph. You can do 6 6s with this graph. Right, because 5.5 and 6.5, there's 6 numbers in between there. Same thing, actually not the same thing down here, 7.5 and 8.5. So the number 6 can't fit in this category at all, so this one's eliminated too. So the correct answer is this one here, because that's the only, after process elimination, that's the only one that could possibly contain the data set. There were 5 8s. So if you look between 7.5 and 8.5, that's where the number 8 would land. There are 5 of those.